Nowadays, in this world, one click, swipe, and tap brings us closer to vast expanse of internet. The tools that should be taken as granted for all this revolution are web browsers. Whether we are scrolling in the world of entertainment or interacting with each other through communication, the web browsers make it all possible through its versatility. But there was a time when these web browsers were a different thing. The pioneering effort shaped the new landscape of web browsers, which are feature-rich and versatile. Today in this video, we will be exploring fascinating evolution of these web browsers and the profound impact they have on our generation. Let's start with the early beginning. The early days of web browsing were nothing more than a disgusting and cumbersome experience with no graphical user interface and user-friendly tools. The pioneer who should be credited for a revolution was Tim Berners-Lee, a software engineer who developed the World Wide Web in 1990, which is designated as the world's first web browser. It was based on Nextstep, which is discontinued nowadays. It is just to be understood that it was an operating system discovered by Steve Jobs. The www had an inclusion of graphical user interface which allowed users to view and edit pages on web. Inspired by Lee, National Center for Supercomputing Application (NCSA) developed Mosaic in 1993. It's the familiar term as we have already discussed it in one of our previous videos you can watch. Mosaic included a bunch of new features, included clickable links, images, and it laid a new foundation of web browsing. In 1994, Netscape Navigator came to replace Mosaic with a user-friendly interface and support for HTML, with some advanced security features. These web browsers become the gateway to the world of endless possibilities in the mid-1990s. And due to these web browsers, internet users around the globe also increased. Now let's understand the rise of Mozilla Firefox. Internet Explorer dominated the world till 2000, but after that the users began to demand something more fast, secure, and flexible. In 2002, Mozilla Firefox emerged as an open-source browser developed by Mozilla Foundation. The principles on which Firefox was built were the same as demanded: more fast, more secure, and more flexible. One of the Firefox's most groundbreaking features was tabbed browsing, allowing users to open multiple web pages in a single window. This made it easier than ever to navigate the web. The Firefox popularity spread throughout the globe, and tech influencers and software developers started to prefer Mozilla Firefox. Positive reviews poured throughout the community about Firefox versatility, and this soared its popularity. By 2008, the Firefox became a formidable competitor to Internet Explorer and captured a significant share of browser market. This era was marked as Firefox era, as it was a symbol of empowerment in this era. Now let's talk about the evolution of mobile web browsing. A shift toward web browsing was made when mobile browsing was introduced, and this brought the internet into palms of our hand. A revolution was introduced with the launch of Apple iPhone in 2007 with its feature-rich and versatile Safari browser. This change made smartphone a powerful tool for accessing the web. In 2013, desktop dominated 82.98% of web traffic. The shift occurred in November 2016 when mobile overtook desktop, accounting for 50.7% of internet traffic compared to desktop 49.3%. Comparing the mobile web browsers, Chrome is the leading mobile web browser, with a market share of 58.16% as of August 2023, following Safari with 35.49% market share. Other web browser data you can also see. But the mobile web browsing also brought many challenges for web developers and designers. Designers had to optimize their design for different screen sizes and devices. Responsive web design emerged as a solution, allowing their designs to be optimized. This mobile browsing brought a convenience that you can navigate through the web and do your task with just a small phone in your hand. Now let's talk about modern web browsing. Nowadays, the web browser has evolved into a sophisticated tool that offers something beyond just page rendering. It offers bookmark syncing, some enhanced security feature and performance integration. Through bookmark syncing, you can save your favorite pages on the web so that you can access them whenever you want. Chrome browser is also equipped with an extension called Tracker Blocker, through which it blocks any tracker tracking for your information on web. Incognito mode is also a remarkable security feature, which allow you to browse privately without saving your history or cookies. Moreover, today's browsers are much faster than old browsers and offers much faster page loading and improved memory management. As we reach the end of our journey through the evolution of web browsers, one thing's become clear. The web browser is more than just a piece of software. It's a gateway to endless possibilities, a window to the vast expanse of human knowledge and creativity. From the early pioneers like World Wide Web and Mosaic to modern giants like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari, each browser has played a unique role in shaping the way we navigate the digital world. This was all from now. But if you want to learn about the evolution of software just like the same way I have explained in this video, just watch the video on the screen. I will meet you there. Make sure to subscribe the channel and thumbs up for the video. Goodbye.